fat stack on the dash. Cruising with Ryan.
No Tim's. Oh, Timmy.
Yeah. Making our way.
The only way we know how.
Yeah, making our way the only way we know. Good morning, race fans. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. It's time to go and follow your dreams.
Can you even see this little measly burnout I did today? There it is.
Oh man, right next to
a big honking burnout.
somebody else.
See, the silly part about it is this road is so rough that the burnout looks so much better going that way. Because when you lay the rubber down, you're laying the rubber down on the rough side of the rocks on the leading edge. So they look like shit going this way. They look a lot better going back the other way.
Burnout philosophy.
Burnout theory. Along with that burnout theory is if you do burnouts in front of a chick's house that you really like, eventually she's either going to come over and tell you to stop or she's going to come over and tell you to start. And I'm just hoping to get something started.
Burnout philosophy, really.
Or burnout philosophy.
Here we are. We're making the pilgrimage to Tim's Automotive Machine. We've all done it. The three brothers here, we've spent more money at this shop in Bloomer than any man should.
If we'd invested all the money we brought to Tim's at this point, I mean, we could probably all retire by the time we were 45. But then you can do that on your income, and it's like, yeah, dude, ramen noodles, homie.
Right.
It'll sustain you.
The sacrifices we make for the horsepower.
Yeah. Follow your dreams.
Didn't know that.
Yeah. Well, I should. So like this side right here. So I'm just gonna weld my dipstick right in this little addition. It's gonna stick right through the spot block where it's supposed to. It's made by so-and-so. Some racing sells it. It's a blower dampener. It's a dual keyway, already drilled for supercharger pulleys.
Looks like a crack, but it's just a piece of paint.
No, isn't that fucking fancy, dude? It's so fancy.
There he is. Got the blower motor home. Just kind of looking at these beautiful rods. Cali crank, Dyer rods. What pistons are they, Ryan?
Diamond billet one off.
Diamond billet, and these were custom ordered for this engine because it has a different stroke. It has a 3.5 inch stroke instead of the 3.48, which is standard small block Chevy stroke. I can't remember the bore size offhand. I think it's 4.075, which makes it a 365 cubic inch small block Chevy. Dart, little M block. This was, I think, a sprint car engine at one point. So we bought the block used, and you can look, it's been through a CNC lightning program to take some weight off the block, which, I mean, for us, we wouldn't have done that, right? The cost of that would not have been worth it for us, but used block, so this is what we got. No oil filter in this location. He has a remote mount in the car. So here we go. We're just gonna get this oil pan done, get it glued on, and then probably push the Vega in here and start eyeballing that.
Look at you like, oh, you got more money coming.
Hey, race fans, Ray again. Got Ryan, we got Josh.
That's my name.
We're modificating our sweet machine, blower motor, hashtag drag racing, street outlaws, no prep kings, you know, murder Nova where you at. Anyway, here we are. So it's an imperfect system here, folks. If you look on this side, there's a little bit of a gap here. You can get the socket down in there to get these nuts off, which is good. because we've upgraded to a solid roller camshaft. So now, valve adjustments is a thing. So we're just taking our time, going over this thing, making sure that we have everything serviceable while it's in the car, rather than find that out later. All right. Enough clearance. Got this guy right here. So now valve adjustments should be a snap. And that's how it looks before we drop it in the car. We wait to put the blower on until it's actually in the car. So we gotta go get it. It's over there in the corner.
What time is it?
It's 9:25.
Oh, you're supposed to say it's party time.
Party time.
It's party time. You know, if you like to party. I like party.
That was a lot more work than I remembered. Whew. Pushing this thing in. Whew. Hopefully no more of that, right? Hopefully now it'll just run, drive itself into the shop.